Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Sunshine of Your Love by Cream. It's an old Eric Clapton song, and it was one of his rock songs that kind of put him on the radar as a great rock and roll blues guitar player. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. So let's get started on the lesson, all right? The song is going to be, it's the D blues scale. It's kind of based on that. It goes like this. It starts out like this. So if you make a D chord down here, a bar chord, this is the 10th fret. That's a D chord. And the D blues scale is this, down here in this first position. So the way you play this is, that is 12 on the D and 10 on the D string. Then you move up to the A string and you go. Then you go up to the E string here on the 8th fret and you slide up to 10. Slide up to 10, 8 on the A, and then the 10th fret on the E string again. So this is it from beginning to end. Does that twice in the beginning of the song, and then he goes ahead and makes this just a D major bar chord. And when he plays it, you can hear these higher strings in this bar chord. He's not just doing this. It's a full, but it does the notes a little different in that. He goes. So it's going to do this bar chord twice. Then you go over here to the A string. 12, 11, 10. You're going to go over here on the D string and you're going to slide up from 10 to 12. Then hit 8 or 10 on the G string and back to 12 on the D. So it goes. All right, so here it is from beginning to end, what I've shown you so far. It goes. So that's the main riff throughout the song. Then it moves up a key at one point. And all it really does is it moves down the neck one string like this. And that's a G bar chord right there. You're just going to bar across the 10th fret with your first finger and take your third finger and lay it here on the D, G, and B strings. 10, 8, 10. what you did up here on the A and the E string in the beginning, you're going to do on the D and the A string now. You're going to go on the D string, you're going to go 12, 11, 10. Slide from 8 to 10 on the A, 8 on the D string, and 10 again on the A. And it goes back to the part that was in D, like this. And the chorus is up here. That's 3 chords. That's going to start out with an A chord. When I play this, I just bar from the D string all the way across the neck like that. And make sure you hit an open A. To a C. Bar on the 3rd, on the A down. And then lay your finger across the D, the G, and the B. To a G chord, which is the bar across the 3rd. 3rd and 4th finger go on the 5th fret of the A and the D. And then put your 2nd finger on the 4th fret of the G chord. And it goes back into that progression. Excuse me. It goes back into the original progression from there. So there's going to be 2 verse chorus progressions, and then there's a guitar solo. And during the guitar solo, it just plays the same thing. It just plays. After that, it goes into, it does both of those. It goes back into the chorus progression. Then it goes through a verse and a chorus again. And on the last chorus, it ends on the A. And he just does that on the A chord, and the song ends with that. It fades out on that A chord. So that's the chords in this song. And it's actually a pretty simple song to play. It's really hard to play it and make it sound like Eric Clapton made it sound. He has a lot of vibrato to his left hand, and that's what made him such a great guitar player. You can tell it was him by the way it sounded. So hope you like this video. If you do, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. And have a great day.